Right here is the cast clay connection where the cast iron meets the clay. We're actually pulling back from the outside, the front yard trap. There's a pretty bad slope. Once you come out here, there's a hill at the house. We're going to pull back from this cast iron and expect the pipe. There's our cable. We actually just got done cabling from the yard clean out, or not the yard clean out, from the basement floor drain. They do have a break in this line. It's right here actually. You can tell there's about a 1 foot to 2 foot section that is completely gone at the top. They been having problems for a while. And you can tell there's a crack on the top left of the screen and on the left side of the screen. Still there is, still a crack, and on the top. There's another crack right there.
How long have these liners been around?